Hi everyone, I'm Mia Gwen A. Aloro, a Bachelor of Science Information Technology student from University of Antique Tarili Memorial Campus. And today, I will be discuss the Laboratory 3 linear regression on Irish dataset and HCI3. So, here are the reviews. Provides a basic implementation of the linear regression algorithm using the well-known Irish dataset. So, linear regression is a fundamental statistical technique used to model the relationship between the dependent variable and one or more independent variables. So, this will guide you through the process of loading necessary libraries, preparing the data, visualizing it, and building a multivariate linear regression model. So, first is the for numerical computation, import NumPy as NP, import pandas as PD is the primary library for data manipulation, what we call pandas. Import Seaborn as SNS, and import Matplotlib as PLP. So this code doesn't produce direct visible output. It makes the function from these libraries available for use in the rest of the program. And this Seaborn is a library that builds on Matplotlib to provide more aesthetically pleasing statistical plots. This step might involve setting default styles, color palettes for the plots using SNS set. This usually doesn't have a text-based output. It changes the appearance of subsequent plots created with Seaborn. And for the third, this line would use pandas to read the Irish dataset from CSV file into data frame called data. And for the data.head, this statement will output the first 5 rows of the Irish dataset, showing the column names, sepal length, sepal width, petal length, petal width, and species, and the corresponding data values. So here are the more corresponding data values of this output, the data.info, data.describe, and this species. And next, data visualization. This section will contain code to create various plots to understand the data. So this example is a pair plot, or SNS dot pair plot parentheses, to visualize the relationship between all pairs of variables in the datasets. This code generates plots. So this is the output, the visual presentations of the data displayed in a window or saved as image files. So next is the fourth, data visualization. So this section will contain code to create various plots to understand the data. So here are the example, the pair plot to visualize relationship between all the pairs of variables in the dataset. So here are the output that could be visual presentations of the data displayed in a window or saved as image files. And for the fifth, multivariate linear regression model, create a linear regression model is use the model linear regression. So the model itself, coefficient and intercept, prediction, which are models estimate of a dependent variable, which are the numbers that tell you how well the model performs.